Taking my time. We don't trust limitations, yeah. Please release my conscious mind from the wrong kind of validation. We just we don't care what they think. We just we don't care what they think. Pray for us, pray for you, pray for you, pray for you, pray for you, pray for us, pray for you, pray for you, pray for you, pray for you. Hey, we doing this all day, we doing this all night. We don't wanna separate. We gon' trust in our faith. Everybody needs some patience. We can't fall for no more temptation. I need more healthy conversation. We need love for a firm foundation. Pray for us, pray for you, pray for you, pray for you, pray for you, pray for us, pray for you, pray for you, pray for you, pray for you. We don't care what they think. We don't care what they think. Gotta protect my mind and soul. Elevating things, let's go. Living my purpose, it's my time. Motivation on my mind. Protect the energy. Come and follow the vibes on me. Gotta live in my purpose, it's my time now. Tell them I don't waste no time now.
Kona manje wanuthatha into ekhoyo azange ngicabanga ukuthi unamaphupho ngiyathemba ukhuluma itori ngoba dali ufuna sikhuleke konke lokho ngikufisa ngempela uzoyimela lengabe ngala ungakhohlwa uthe uthanda i-contest ayivele ushuthe esibangene sibambisene ngempela ayisenze izinto zenzeke ayifuthi uthanda nokuncela ukuba uyazi ungaza kanjani sibambisene ngempela ay senze izinto zenzeke.